This is the 3-piece set of baking sheets by Benici, and look how nice these are. They also are non-stick and BPA free as well, and they have these silicone handles on the side. This one measures 13.5 inches by 8.6 inches. This medium size one measures 15 inches by 10 inches. And this large size one measures 17 inches by 11.8 inches approximately. This also has 5 layers. The first layer is a protective layer. The second layer is a non-stick steel. Third layer is carbon steel, followed by a non-stick steel layer. And the 5th layer is protective layer as well. How perfect is this? These are oven safe up to 450 degrees. And you're able to make so many dishes with these. You're gonna just love it. This is crafted from 0.5 millimeter of carbon steel with a nice gray coating. And another nice feature is this is easy to clean. These also come with these handles, but you can remove them also for ease of use. It's up to you. So now let me show you how awesome this works. Look how perfect this came out. And it smells so good. I was sent this from Benici and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to use this time and time again. This would also make a great gift to give to somebody. This is a Good Cook steel nonstick bakeware, and it's a 3-piece cookie sheet set. Let's open it up and take a peek. I like that it's stackable because that's going to save a lot of room in the cabinets. I'm super excited to use these for many years to come. So the small size is 13 by 9 inches, the medium size is 15 by 10 inches, and the large size is 17 by 11 inches. It also has a non-stick coating, so it's going to cut down on scrubbing time too. Another nice feature, it distributes heat evenly as well. It's also dishwasher safe. However, for best results, hand wash is recommended. I'm so excited to try our new Good Cook cookie sheets. So let's make cookies. I'm really impressed with my new baking sheets. It came out perfectly. Did its job very well. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.